Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of animals that live in complete darkness. From the star-nosed mole to the mysterious sea cucumber, these creatures have evolved in ways that defy imagination. We'll explore 10 incredible animals that lack eyesight, uncovering their unique adaptations to living in environments where sight isn't needed. Let's get started. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is a small, burrowing mammal with a bizarre star-shaped nose made up of 22 pink, fleshy appendages. These tentacle-like structures are highly sensitive, allowing the mole to detect prey by touch in total darkness. Found in wet lowland areas of North America, this mole is an exceptional digger and can tunnel through soil at remarkable speeds. Despite its inability to see well, the star-nosed mole uses its nose to feel its environment, making it one of the fastest hunters in the animal kingdom. In just milliseconds, it can identify and consume prey. Texas blind salamander. The Texas blind salamander is a completely blind amphibian that inhabits underground caves in Texas. Its skin is translucent, and it has underdeveloped eyes hidden beneath its skin, as vision is unnecessary in its dark, subterranean habitat. It relies on its heightened senses of smell and lateral lines to detect the slightest movement in the water. This species feeds on small aquatic invertebrates and is perfectly adapted to life in complete darkness. Conservation efforts are underway to protect its fragile cave ecosystems. Olm. The olm, also known as cave salamander, is a strange, cave-dwelling salamander found in the limestone caves of Central and Southeastern Europe. With its elongated, eel-like body and pale skin, the olm is perfectly adapted to its underground life. It has tiny, non-functional eyes covered by skin, relying instead on its acute sense of smell and lateral line system to detect prey. Olms can live for up to 100 years and can survive without food for years due to their extremely slow metabolism. They are often called human fish because of their pinkish skin tone. Golden mole. Golden moles are small, burrowing mammals found in the sandy deserts and grasslands of southern Africa. With tiny or completely absent eyes hidden beneath their fur, these creatures rely on their excellent sense of touch and hearing to navigate. They have metallic golden fur that helps them glide effortlessly through sand as if swimming. Golden moles are adapted to an underground life, digging through loose soils and hunting for insects. Their blindness is compensated by their highly sensitive snouts and whiskers. Mexican tetra. The Mexican tetra, also known as the blind cavefish, is a fascinating species that has evolved to live in the darkness of underwater caves in Mexico. In its blind cave form, this fish has lost its eyes and pigmentation, leaving it with a smooth, pale body. It navigates by using sensory receptors on its skin that detect changes in water pressure and currents. Despite lacking vision, the Mexican tetra is an efficient hunter, feeding on small aquatic organisms. It's a prime example of how animals can adapt to extreme environments. Eyeless shrimp. The eyeless shrimp lives in the deep ocean near hydrothermal vents, where light doesn't reach. These shrimps have evolved to be completely blind, with no need for vision in their pitch-black surroundings. Instead, they rely on chemoreceptors to sense chemicals and temperature changes in the water. They often feed on bacteria that thrive around hydrothermal vents, living in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Their adaptability to these harsh conditions showcases the resilience of life in the deep sea. Yeti crab. The yeti crab is a unique, blind deep-sea creature found near hydrothermal vents in the Pacific Ocean. Named for its furry, hair-like bristles on its claws, the yeti crab uses these bristles to farm bacteria, which it scrapes off and consumes. Living in complete darkness, this crab has no functional eyes and relies on its sense of touch and chemical signals to navigate. The harsh, toxic environment it inhabits is filled with hot, mineral-rich water, making the yeti crab a survivor of extreme conditions. Its peculiar appearance and behavior make it one of the most unusual creatures in the deep ocean. Hydra. The hydra is a tiny, freshwater invertebrate that has no eyes and no brain. Despite its simplicity, The hydra is a skilled predator, using its tentacles lined with stinging cells to capture small aquatic prey. Hydras are known for their incredible regenerative abilities, able to regrow their entire bodies from small fragments. They use chemical and tactile cues to sense their environment and detect prey, thriving in ponds, lakes, and slow-moving streams. Their lack of eyes is no barrier to their success as hunters. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are spiny marine animals that have no true eyes but can still see, using light-sensitive cells all over their body. These cells allow them to detect shadows and movement, helping them avoid predators in their rocky or coral reef habitats. Sea urchins use their long spines for defense and movement, and their tube feet help them cling to surfaces in strong currents. They feed on algae and detritus, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Despite their simple structure, sea urchins are well adapted to life in the ocean's shallow waters. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are elongated, soft-bodied marine animals that lack eyes but use chemical sensors to detect their surroundings. Found on the ocean floor, these creatures play an important role in recycling nutrients by consuming detritus and organic matter. Their tube feet help them move along the seabed, and some species can eject sticky threads or even their internal organs to defend against predators. Sea cucumbers are important members of the benthic community, maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Despite their lack of vision, they thrive in a variety of ocean habitats. Thank you for being a part of our journey today to explore these remarkable creatures. As we've seen today, animals have an incredible ability to adapt, even in environments where vision is useless. We hope you found them as intriguing and mesmerizing as we do. It is your support that keeps us going. So, if you loved this video, and want to go on more such adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends too. Nature is full of surprises, so keep your eyes wide open and your heart ready for more thrilling discoveries. We will be back with more animals in our next video.